Hey everyone! Today we're making healthy chocolate brownies and packed with protein. They're perfect for anyone who loves dessert but still wants to stay fit. So, let's jump right in. Alright, to start, I've got some melted chocolate here and I'm adding in some date syrup. It's a natural sweetener and makes the brownies nice and rich. Next, I'm adding some tahini. It gives the brownies a creamy texture and a really nice nutty flavor. Now we're just mixing everything together until it's nice and smooth. Once everything's nicely mixed together, I'm adding in 3 eggs. This will help the brownies hold their shape and make them soft and fudgy inside. Now I'm mixing everything together again until the eggs are fully combined. You'll see the batter getting smooth and glossy. That's exactly what we want. Now that everything is well mixed, I'm adding in the cocoa powder. This will give our brownies that deep chocolate flavor. And now we'll mix it all really well until the cocoa powder is fully combined and there are no lumps left. You should get a thick, smooth, and super chocolatey batter. Now I'm adding a little bit of vanilla extract. And now I'm adding the baking powder. This will help the brownies rise just a little and stay nice and fluffy. And now I'm slowly adding in the oat flour. Add it little by little while mixing so the batter stays smooth and well combined. And now I'm gently mixing it all together. Now I'm adding the second part of the oat flour and gently mixing it in. Just keep stirring slowly until the batter comes together and looks smooth and thick. Now I'm adding the second part of the oat flour and gently mixing it in. Just keep stirring slowly until the batter comes together and looks smooth and thick. Once you reach this texture, your batter is ready. Now I'm using an ice cream scoop to fill our baking molds with the batter. This helps make all the brownies the same size and lets them bake evenly. Make sure to fill each mold just about 3/4 full. They'll puff up a little in the oven. Now they're ready to go in the oven. We'll bake them for about 20 minutes at 170 degrees until they're set on top, but still soft and fudgy inside. Now that the brownies are ready, we're decorating them with melted chocolate and some crunchy peanuts. This adds extra flavor and makes them look super tempting. And now our healthy chocolate brownies are ready. They're fudgy and chocolatey. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.